Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Chat GPT something went wrong issue. If you're experiencing the Chat GPT something went wrong issue, then here are some fixes you could try out. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Whenever you're experiencing something went wrong error on Chat GPT, then you can try refreshing the page in order to resolve the issue. Simply go ahead and open up a web browser and log into chat.openai.com. And once you're inside the Chat GPT interface, you can simply drag the page from the top of the screen and release it in order to refresh your page. Now, try typing in the question again in the text box and see if that fixes the issue. Another thing you should keep in mind is to make sure that you have the stable internet connection connected for your Android device. If your internet is not working, you won't be able to use Chat GPT. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data and find the best connection for yourself. Another thing you can do is to clear cache from your web browser that you are using for Chat GPT. Simply open up your web browser and find the 3 bars at the bottom right. If you're using any other web browser from mine, you'll be able to find the options. Then the process is quite similar. In the pop-up, select the Settings button. Under Settings, scroll down and tap on Personal Browsing Data. Tap on Delete Browsing Data and make sure to check the Cookies and Site Data option and Cached Images and Files option. Now tap on the Delete button and you'll be able to refresh your web browser. If nothing else works out, simply go ahead and turn off your device that you are using and restart it back again. After you make all of these changes, you might be able to fix your Chat GPT something went wrong issue using your Android phone. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.